Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be installing this beautiful curly wig. This is from Dyhair777 and they sent me a 22 inches I believe, and this is 13x4 frontal. So we're just gonna get right into this video. So I don't I don't bleach my knots. I mean, sometimes I do, but this is a quick install, so I am not bleaching my nuts. I'm gonna use foundation, and this is the method that I usually use for all my wing install. So yeah, right now I'm just applying the foundation onto the lace, and I'm gonna also apply it on the cap. And I don't do the ball cap method just because for me it doesn't last as long as I would like it to, so I just leave it as that. I mean, sometimes I use the ball cap method, but like I said, this is a quick install. This is for my beginners, so this is like beginner friendly install. So stay tuned and continue watching to the end, and you're gonna see how I finesse this hair. And if you have any questions, just put it down in the comment section below, and the description of this hair will be down below, and I will see you guys at the end. Hey you guys, I am back. So basically what I do with my install, I usually only use Got To Be Glue with the spray, with the olive oil spray. Not olive oil, I think it is olive oil. Yeah, with the olive oil spray. That's what I usually use for my install. I don't use anything else. So basically what I do is I do apply my ball cap, and then I use the Got To Be Glue, and then after that I basically go over it with the spray, and then I think I lost the footage for that part, but basically what I do is I just apply my wig on, and then I just go around and I cut out the edges, or around the edges, like the excess lace. And then that's basically what I do. So the rest of the video is self-explanatory, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I hope you guys do find it very easy to install your wigs for beginners. And yeah, like I said, I will see you guys at the end of this video. Bye. I know I said I would see you guys at the end, but I just have to make a comment on this part. I was struggling here because I lost my hair wax, which I usually use for when I'm trying to define a part, or when I'm just trying to lay a section down, or just lay my hair. But yeah, I couldn't find it, so I'm literally using gel for this part. And also my hot comb is pretty sucky, so I do need to invest in a new one. But yeah, this is just me trying to finesse this part, but I realized it was not working, so I decided to just do an updo or something, because I just realized it's not as laid as I would want it to be. Like, the part is not as defined as I would want it to be, so we're just gonna have to do updo. So that's what I'm doing, and yeah, I will see you guys at the end for real this time. So this is the final look of the hair. I love this install. I love the lace. It was honestly very easy to install, and it was very easy, and the hair did come pre-plucked as well. It was pre-plucked, so which made it easier. This is so beginner friendly for a lot of you guys, and I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.